Good morning, students. Last class I explained letter writing, that is informal writing, that is friend letter. Then now that is here reading passes. Edit the following passes here. Edit the following. Edit the following passes. Edit the following passes. First one, see children, here is tigers lives in different parts of Asia and Siberia. The tiger is or the lion are the biggest animals in the cat family. The cat family, and male tiger is about 10 feet long. Full stop. Their coat is yellow and black. Now see children, first of all you should read the passage. Tigers live in different parts of Asia and Siberia. The tiger is the lion or the biggest animals in the cat family. And male tiger is about 10 feet long. Their coat is yellow and black. You know children, reading passes means here in the passes. So some words should be underlined. Those are, that is, completely errors, mistakes. So then I am going to, that is, correct the error part itself. How it is. For example, you have to read this passage at least 3 times. At least 3 times. So first answer here is tigers lives. So here is tigers means plural. But here is lives. So the passage should be written present tense, no doubt. Because here is are and is. Okay, no doubt, is also. But here is lives. Here tigers plural, not singular. If the tiger is singular, so lives here absolutely right. But tigers means here plural. So we should write here live only. If subject is singular, the verb must be added es or s in simple present tense itself. But here subject is plural. The number is here plural. So tigers, not tiger. So tigers means a plural. So we should write here is live, not lives. Okay children? L-I-V-E. Here is plural. Next B. Parts of Asia and Siberia. The tiger is or the lion. here is two words. Here is two words, tiger and the lion. So it should be correct with a proper conjunction. Here is also or also conjunction, but both are referred here. The tiger, the lion are the biggest animals in the cat family. So we should use conjunction and. So the tiger is and the lion. So here is and. So here is and. B is here is and. The tiger. Sorry, here is the tiger or the lion. So okay, here children, the tiger or the lion means the tiger, that is here, or the lion. So here is it should be because a tiger or the lion is only one thing. Here is and. Next C. And male tiger. Here is and should be used. Excuse me. So and should be used. Here is vowel sound. But male. Here male is consonant sound. So here, if any vowel sound, words beginning with vowel sound, we should write here is and. But here is male. Male tiger, it consists of consonant sound. It consists of consonant sound. So that here children, a male tiger. Don't write and because it is not vowel, it is consonant only. A male tiger is about 10 feet long. Okay. D. Their coat. Here, which animal is there? Male tiger. So male tiger refers to it, not there, because it is not plural. Only one animal here is. So this here is D is here. Its coat is yellow and black. In this way, children, here is we should write answer first one. Tiger plurals. So we should write singular helping verb there. Singular verb be there. But you should write that is without yes or es. So here is live because plural is there. Subject plural. Verb must be here is singular. So here is simple present tense live only. Next second one. Tiger and the lion. Okay. The lion and the tiger. Don't write are because both are referred here in the cat family. So that we should write here and. Next C. Don't write and because here is male tiger. So it is the sound particularly refers to consonant sound. So that's why we should write a male tiger, not an. Last one, children. Male tiger means it. So don't write their coat because it is singular. So that we should write its coat is yellow and black. Okay, children. In this way, that is doing editing process. I think see next question. Second one, children. Around the earth, there was here underline here was atmosphere who underline B is like a ring round R-O-U-N here. Ring round the fruit. Underline. It is made up of oxygen, nitrogen, water, water vapor, or underline D. A number of other gases so here ring round. See, here is water up. Now children, see that around the earth there was atmosphere who is like a ring round. The fruits, it is made up of oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, or a number of other gases. Okay children. So here is first answer A, option A. So around the earth there was. Here is past tense is there was. But children, you should go through this passage. Here who is present tense. It is present tense. It is present tense. So here it should be refers to nature. So we should write here present tense. So was became here is. Was became here is. So around the earth there is atmosphere who. Generally who should be related to persons, not for the least things. Here the thing should be referred which is earth. So we should write which instead of who. Who refers to only persons. Here in this context of this passage, that is no one is there here, especially person is not referred. The particular thing which is earth. So that here we should write which because it is earth. Next C. Like a ring round. Dash a fruit. Here is a fruit, not any fruit. A fruit means not the particular the fruit. So we should write a fruit. Next D. It is made up of oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, or a number of gases. Don't write or because here is connectivity. Oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, and a number of other gases. So don't write here or. Okay. So here is and. It should be preposition. Conjunction. So that here around the earth there was. Here is not there because it said being the passage said being in the present tense because it pertains to nature itself only. Nature. So that we should write here is. Atmosphere. Here is who. Who generally refer to persons. But here is no one is there. No person. So we should refer to here which because it is earth. Next C. So round the fruit. Here is a beginning of the sentence. No is a particular fruit is not referred in the passage. So we should write here a fruit means any fruit like that. Okay children. So here is a fruit. Next it is made up of oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor and a number of other gases. So here and is a conjunction should be connected with this. So don't write R. Okay. In this way, that is, it is completion of reading passage. I think here it is a second question for you. Next question, children. Third one. In a village, there lived a boy and his mother there T-H-E-R, underline A. R, underline B. Very poor. The boy collected the boy collected wood in underline here the forest and sold it he cuts he cuts down small trees also. Now see children here this. First one here. In a village there lived a boy and his mother. Okay. There here is a particular referred village there. So who lived? Mother and father. Mother and boy. So we should write here not there. A, that is answers here. They means plural. Mother and boy. So they. Next are. So it is completely are is present tense, but the passage should be said or written in past tense. So are became verb because they is plural. Okay, see. The boy collected wood in the forest is not there. Collected from the forest because it is proposed to collected from the forest, not in the forest. And sold it. He cuts, so it is also present tense because third person singular subject S is there. But the passage should be written and the tense is completely past tense. So don't write yes. So here is cut. Here V1, V2, V3 same. So it is V1, V2, V3 same. So don't write yes. He cut. So here children in village there lived a boy and his mother. There is there. Here is they means here is plural. So here is they. Next are. So here is verb because present tense is there are, but here the passage should be written in past tense. So verb. Next very poor. Very poor. The boy collected it. Wood in the forest is not there. From the forest. It is very important. From the forest and sold it. Last one he cuts. Not that is cuts. Here is V1, V2, V3 are the same. That is here also V2 same. But here is S is third person single S is given, but it is past tense, so that cut it there. Okay, children. In this way, just we have to you have practice reading person. Last unit already I think explained. Now on. Okay, children. I think I will explain a new topic by next class. Thank you, children. Bye.